Hey divas, what's up? It's your girl Diva and welcome back to the House of Glam TV. So I figured I'd give you guys a quick tour of my new beauty space. So come on, let's go take a look at the new House of Glam. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we are in my new beauty space. Kind of doing a panoramic all around quick look around. So this is our third bedroom, which is actually also a guest room, but I don't have a bed in here like the old guest room slash beauty room. So when you come in the room, of course on this wall over here I have this that I found at, I want to say I found this at a TJ Maxx or Marshalls, one of the two. This was about $16.99 and it says life is short, your lashes shouldn't be. So I thought this was really cute. It's like a pink glitter, kind of really doesn't go with the decor of the room, but I thought it was so cute and I had to have it. On this wall over here though is my gold and white wall. So I have the famous gold lips that I found actually at Hobby Lobby. This was the most expensive one. I think I bought this and maybe had like a coupon for this because this was originally $39.99. I missed it a couple of times when it was 50% off, and I kept putting it off because the Hobby Lobby that I go to isn't close by. It's a good 25 minutes away, but I saw it and I had to get it. They didn't have too many of them, so I grabbed this. I've had this one. This was up in the old beauty room. I had gotten this from Marshalls years ago. I found this one at a Marshalls recently, and it says I came, I saw, I contoured. I have like two others, but they're up in my bedroom, and I've shown those on my Instagram. Basically all of my wall art I found at TJ Maxx or Marshalls for really low prices. I mean, that I came, I saw, conquered was $7.99. That's my watch, guys. And I found some other pieces for just about the same price. Over here, don't mind the light, is my first desk that I created into a vanity years ago. This video is actually up on my channel. This is an old video, but this was in my beginning days. I have to get a new piece of plexiglass for it because the glass that I had was on the newer vanity and that broke, and then I bought a new piece of plexi for it, so I have to replace this one. But I don't have much on here. I'm still trying to get like little things put in its place in the room and set up, but that's here with my little I love speakers. I'm probably eventually going to change it out and either get like an Alexa Echo Dot for this room too and connect it to the speakers, so that'll be booming in here. Then I have like my little jewelry displays and stuff. I don't know if you guys can see it. I got a wig over here that's drying. I washed. I'm about to recolor it again. If you guys want to know about this hair, comment down below because I've been rocking this probably for about 2 months. And this hair is from Luxurious Hair. So comment down below if you want to know the deets on this, how long it is, the texture, all of this, and how it stands up, because I'm actually really loving this hair. I'm really glad I decided to go with this company yet again. Because if you guys have seen my video I did about them once before, I had an issue with them. So I tried them once again, and this time it's bomb. Over in this corner I have my tripod, my makeup chair, and on the floor is the bag that I told you guys about, and I'll come back in a little bit and tell y'all about the bag in a sec. Over here, this rack used to be in my garage, but I don't have room for it right now in the new garage, so I'm kind of using up here as all of my play boxes, any Vox boxes, new stuff that I've ordered, stuff that I still have to organize is all on here. So this is going to be like where I put all my stuff that I have to review will kind of go up here, and then the overflow kind of In this corner is my famous display. So this was up, if y'all remember, this was up in my beauty room from before. I still have some more stuff to load in. I did add a couple of new pieces. My watches keep going off, guys. It's thinking I'm talking to it. I've added a couple new acrylic pieces like this one here in the corner. And then I got another one of the drawers. This came actually as a set. So you can find the big drawer with the top piece at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. It's like $39 for the set. And I just stacked it up top here to make it look like 3. That I have 3 of the big ones. And I have some of my favorite things like from MAC last year holiday. Cake mix, which was in my hiatus haul video. If you guys haven't seen that, check the link. It'll be down below, so you guys go check that out. I still got some more decor pieces to add back. All of my bracelets are up top there. My vases I have to fill back with brushes. And then I have a bunch of other stuff to fill. And then I'm going to flip the camera around so you guys can see the new piece that I've added to the room. Alright guys, so this is the new piece that I've added. It's actually a futon. I got this at Target for $119. It flips down to a bed. I have to say though, this thing is not the most comfortable piece. I got it because my mom had came to visit and I went to IKEA. They had something very similar for about the same price. So with tax it would have been a little bit more, but I was afraid it wasn't going to fit in my truck. So I went and I saw Target had this one. So I'm hoping it'll get softer over time with sitting, but it's perfect for this area because it acts as the perfect like little lounge area, especially if I set up my beauty chair so I can have clients. And then I have this little throw that I use for pictures and stuff. I got this actually from, I believe, Marshalls also for $14.99, but I use this for like my pictures and stuff like that. Then I have a little lamp in the corner on that tray thing because eventually I'm just gonna get like a cute little end table or something to put over there to have lights, my lamp on, my curtains. You guys can see my ironing board is in here, and I got some boxes to talk about later. And yeah, that is the room. Alright guys, so I decided to show you guys the bag because it's here in the room and it's packed to the brim. So I got this from Amazon. This is my new makeup kit. It's very sleek and black. This was about $49.99. This is the largest one they had on Amazon. But when I tell you this fits a lot of everything I take, it's like 3 compartments to this thing. So this is the top part where if I was traveling, I could have like curling irons and stuff in here. But I have like palettes galore up top here, like on my Anastasia stuff, BH Cosmetic palettes, towel that I use, you name it. So it fits a lot here at the top. And I think I'll try to post the link down below to which one this is on Amazon. And then this is the big compartment here, and I have everything. So there's a giant mirror right here. Underneath is brushes. There's a side pocket right here, and then of course I have everything like down here. I will try to zoom in and show you guys the whole kit itself. So that was the one addition that I got to while I was on my hiatus, because I had been doing some freelancing. So I got that. Of course, you guys have seen the chair before. That was a Christmas gift one Christmas. And that's pretty much it. So welcome to the House of Glam. This is definitely a treat to have an actual dedicated room to all my stuff. There's no bed in here. Well, technically there is the futon, but it's perfect because I can come in here, I can lounge, I can work, I can definitely do all my reviews in this room comfortably. My vanity is in my bedroom, which is nice to have it in there, so it makes it easy getting ready in the morning. But I can come in here, I can store all my wigs in here. I can do my wigs in this room if I want to. I can create jewelry again, which I will be doing again soon, so look out for that. And just kind of chilling here. So hopefully I'll get to add a TV in here. My backdrops will be on this wall, so of course you'll see all of those. And then that's about it. So I'm glad I got to show you guys the new room. Let me know what you think, what your thoughts are. If you want to know about any of the decor pieces, I'll try to post where I got them from down below. But like I said, I got them from places like TJ Maxx, Marshalls. I might have even found a piece or two at Ross. I can't remember, but I know definitely TJ Maxx and Marshalls are a great place if you're looking for beauty decor. And of course Hobby Lobby, where I found the giant lip pictures. So yeah, that's about it. And look who's coming to join me. Say hi.
Hi.
She's looking for popcorn, guys, so that means I gotta get out of here. Anyway, guys, to all my new Diva dolls, welcome to the House of Glam TV. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't already, hit the yeah, well, mommy's trying to tell them. Yeah, I'm trying to tell them to subscribe. So make sure you guys hit the red button. Tell them to subscribe. Yeah, so hit the red button and subscribe to the House of Glam TV. If you're an oldie but goodie doll, thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I've missed you guys so much. And yes, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos with her in them, just comment down below and put Princess, because that's what we call her, the Princess. And maybe we'll have a mommy and me video coming soon.
I'm going to be a genie.
You're going to be a genie?
Yes.
Maybe I'll do a little vlog video on what she is for Halloween. We'll see. But anyway, Diva dolls, I'm going to get out of here. Y'all know what to do. Y'all stay fat, because you know your girl is too. See you later.
Kisses.
Say see you later.
See you later.
Bye.
Kisses.
Hey guys, I forgot to give you the clip of what was the inside of the bag that looked like. So it has the compartments that are adjustable. And you can adjust the compartments and put whatever you want. So I have my lashes here, concealers, lip stuff and foundations, some highlighters in the back, some beauty blenders, lash glue, my business cards, all of the brushes that I use up here, and then there's like a pocket right here too. And of course, like I said, this folds down. And it's a giant mirror so that your clients can see themselves. So this is like the perfect bag, especially if you don't want to trolley around a big old trolley or a Zuka bag. This is perfect because it fits everything, and it's great for me because carrying this and the chair is a lot of work. So that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, if you like this video, comment down below if you want to see more like it, and subscribe. I'll check you guys in my next one. Bye.